Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to monitor your team chat and activity on Facebook Messenger. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Messenger app. Just like so. After you open up your Messenger app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to supervision. So click on supervision. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on create invite. So it's going to generate family center link for you on Facebook Messenger. What you can do here is you can either share the link with your team on their WhatsApp or on their Messenger or Instagram, or you can send it to their mail, or better still, you can simply click on here to copy the link. And then they have to respond to the link within 48 hours. So with that, once they respond to the link, they will need to set up their information and join the family center on Facebook Messenger. So with that, you will be able to monitor their chat and monitor their activities on Facebook and the Messenger app. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to monitor your team chat and activity on Facebook and Messenger without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.